Yes, you can, right? I too can hear you. So, how can we hear? What makes us hear? Yes, ears. So, all living things have ears. Doesn't all living things have ears? No. Except plants, all living things have ears. Plants doesn't have ears at all. Have you seen your ear? Yes, you have seen your ear. Your father's ear, your mother's ear, your grandparents' ear. They all look exactly the same, just a bit difference in the size. Okay, so let me ask you about the ears of animals. Does they look similar in every animal? No. So now let's compare the ears of some animals. Let me take an elephant and a mouse. Does they look similar? Does their ears look similar? No, right? The elephant's ear is bigger according to its body size, and the ears of the mouse is, yes, tiny as its size. So, according to the animal theory, their body parts will change according to the physical structure of the animals. So, let's talk about today's topic, ear to ear. The topic of the day is about ear. So, let us come to the textbook. All of you take your text. So, first in your textbook, you have a picture like this. Can you see? Okay. What is unusual in this? Or what is irregular in this? Yes, there is something that is not appropriate, right? I think the nose. Is it? No, the ears. Yes, the ears of these animals are not correct, right? So, is this the ear of an elephant? Is this the ear of an elephant? No, right? So, all the ears are mismatched by the artist. So, let me show you the correct images. So, we have seen animals that elephant, rabbit, mouse, giraffe, dog, buffalo and deer. In real life, they look like this. But the artist has done it like this. Is it correct? No. So, we are gonna correct or match the ears with the right animals. There are some blank spaces given in your textbook like this. This is to fill by yourself. The animals are given according to an order and you have to write their ears, which animal has mismatched the ears. So, we are going to do the exercise that is given below the image, that the elephant has the ears of the mouse in this picture. The rabbit has the ears of the giraffe. The mouse has the ears of the dog. The giraffe has the ears of the elephant. The dog has the ears of the rabbit. The buffalo has the ears of the deer. And the deer has the ears of the buffalo in this picture. From this, we come to a conclusion that ears of animals differ from one to another. Here is an activity. From this, there are some names of some animals and there are two blank boxes which we have to fill. Animals whose ears we can see and animals whose ears we cannot see. So, from the list of animals and birds given here, we have to fill this according to our thought. For a clear vision, I have written the boxes here. So, you have to write according to the visibility of their ears. Among this, we can start from here, deer. In case of a deer, we can see its ears. So, a deer, then tiger. Tiger's ears also can be seen. Pig. Yes, we can see the ears of a pig. Frog. Can we see the ears of a frog? No. So, we cannot see. We have to write the animals whose ears we cannot see in this box. Okay, sparrow. In case of a sparrow, can we see their ears? No. Then, duck. No, we cannot see the ears of a duck. Fish. We cannot see the ears of a fish. Then, a buffalo. Yes, we can see the ears of a buffalo, right? Buffalo. Giraffe. Can you see the ears of a giraffe? Yes, I can see the ears of a giraffe. Okay, ant. Can you see the ears of an ant? Can you see the ears of an ant? No, we cannot see the ears of an ant. Snake. In case of a snake, we cannot see its ears. Elephant. Elephant has the biggest ears in the world. Okay, elephant. Then, crow. Can you see the ears of a crow? I cannot. Can you? No, we cannot see the ears of a crow. A lizard. Can you see the ears of a lizard? No. The lizard's ears are not visible. Then, last, cat. Yes, we can see the ears of a cat. Let me ask you one thing. Do you think the animals whose ears we cannot see really do not have ears? Is it so? No, they too have ears, but they are not visible to us. Yes, right? They are hidden.
That
Majority
doesn't
of
mean it doesn't have
the birds,
ears.
their ears are not visible. Right? Their ears are beneath their feathers. Okay. So, let us answer a question. The animals whose ears we cannot see really do not have ears. Justify your answer. That does not mean they do not have ears. They all have ears even though we cannot see them. Okay, so let us observe a picture given here. There are some birds and a frog. So try to name the creatures here. A hen, a sparrow, a duck, a parrot, a crow, and a frog. Okay, so let me ask you one thing. Can you see their ears? No, right? I too cannot see the ears. So, they doesn't have ears. They are all deaf? No, they have ears even though we cannot see them. Okay, then can you please tell me some animals which have ears but we cannot see them? Just name something. Okay, a pigeon, lizard, then crocodile, then a snake, then fish, etc. These organisms or living things have ears even though they are not visible to us. Now, let's have an evaluation session. Okay, let me ask you some questions regarding the topic we have discussed. You have a chance to answer all these questions. An animal with ears like fan. The animal which have the animal which has the biggest ears on the earth. Who's that? Yes, no doubt, that is elephant. Okay, an animal with ears like leaves. A leaf, how does a leaf look like? Okay. Yes, a deer has a leaf-like ears. An animal with ears on the top of its head. Which animal have ears on top of its head? Yes, a rabbit. A rabbit has ears on top of its head. An animal with ears on both sides of its head. We have seen animals with both sides. They have ears on both sides of the head. Buffalo is such an example. Now, from all these things we have came across, we can now tell that, or the topic is clear that every living being has ears. Okay, but some are visible, some are invisible. The thing is that they are not visible to us. They are hidden. They are minute holes. They are under the skin or the hair or the feathers. Almost birds have such minute tiny hole-like ears. So not only birds have these tiny hole-like ears, even the tiny insects like lizard, snake, if you see thoroughly to their head, you can see tiny minute holes between their whole body and their eyes. So that is the thing or the ear which helps them to know the sound, the vibrations, etc. Okay. So children, we have come across the topic ear. We all know that ear is a sense organ. Okay. We all have 5 sense organs. They are ear, yes, eyes, smell, nose, taste, tongue, and touch, skin, right? Okay. So now we are going to know about skin. We humans have skin as a sense organ. We could feel touch through skin, right? Likewise, animals and birds also have skin. Most of them are not visible to us because of the hair or fur or feather which covers the skin. So we all are now able to recognize animals with their ears. Now let's practice or try to recognize some animals with their fur or hair. In your text, page number 14, there are some animals' skin types and their shadows. According to this, we have to match the right skin type or fur to the right animal. How could it possible without knowing the animal correctly? How can we draw or match it correctly? So, here we can know the animals. These stripes in the tigers, we can recognize tiger through the stripes tiger. The squirrel. In squirrel, it has a black shaded fur and white stripes. Here also, a zebra has black and white texture in its body, but it is not so furry, right? This is cheetah or leopard, which looks like tiger, but the skin, look at its fur, the design, it differs from each other. The tiger has stripes in it, but the cheetah has spots or dots in its body. Okay, now the deer has a brown colored fur and white dotted design in its body. From this, we know the animals and we can correctly match according to its shape. Okay. For ease, I have given the names as a homework. You can connect their skin type to their shadows correctly. Now, you children can recognize animals and birds according to their ears and their feathers or hair on their body. Here is a table given for you to complete lightly. Ears can be seen among these animals. We can take first from fox. Ears can be seen. Yes, we can see its ears and has hair on skin. Yes, fox has hair on its skin, not feathers. Next, frog. We cannot see the ears of frog. The frog doesn't has hair on its skin. The frog doesn't has feathers on its skin. Okay. Then mouse. We can see the ears of the mouse and we know that it has hair on its skin. Next, hen. We cannot see a hen's ears and it has feathers because it is a bird. Elephant. We can see its ears and there are hair on its skin. Crow. We cannot see its ears and it has feathers. Cat. We can see its ears and it has hair on its skin. Now, camel. We can see its ears and it has hair on its body. Sparrow. We cannot see a sparrow's ears and it has feathers on its body. Peacock. A peacock's ears are also not visible and it has feathers on its body. Buffalo. A buffalo's ears, we can see it, right? And it has hair on its body. Lizard. We cannot see a lizard's ears. A lizard does not has feather or hair on its skin. Next, pigeon. A pigeon is a bird, so we cannot see its ears and it has, yes, feathers. Pig. We can see a pig's ear and it has fur on its or hair on its body. Duck. We cannot see a duck's ear and it is a bird, it has feathers. Last, it's cow. So we can see its ears and it has hair on its body. Now children, let me ask you one thing. So, in case of a buffalo or a cow, can you see their hair on its body? Yes, we can see. If we are near to it, we can see it clearly. If we are away from it, okay, we cannot see it that much clearly. Even though we come near to it, we can see that it has hair on its body. It has hair on its body. It's like the ears of the tiny holes of the birds. We can see only when we are next to the animal. Okay. So, from this portion, we came to know that ears help us to hear. Every living beings except plants have ears. Some can be seen and some cannot be seen. Organisms such as birds, reptiles and insects have ears, but we cannot see it because they are tiny holes. So, hope you all understood the portions. So, learn well, study well, take care. Try to revise the portions. And if you have any doubts regarding the portion, watch the video again and again. All of you, take care. Use your ears and your skin usefully and take care. Bye.